Hi class, I want to talk a little bit about the Start Here module. I said I'd show you a few of the best practices, so I want to do that. I've got also a couple other things on the list. I received some emails about practice quizzes not being able to see the correct answers. That should be fixed now. You should be able to see them, so let me know if you can't. And we're kind of into the rhythm of the course, but because this is the accelerated versions, some people have said that they're really pressed with the content opening on Tuesday to post by Thursday. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to this week, starting tomorrow, I'll go ahead and open the week 3 content tomorrow. That'll give you most of Sunday and Monday to work on your discussion post. That adds, basically that's going to add 2 days. So let's see how that goes. Send me an email if you like it, and I'll keep it up. Let me talk about number 1 for the Start Here module. There were really a lot of good posts. I was really pleased. It looked like to me you put a lot of effort into it, and they were very enjoyable to read. Let me show you a couple of best practices here. This one's from Thayer. She really did a nice job here. Notice how she bolds headers, repeats the questions in bold, which I like that. When she got into dream job and doing like subtopics, she repeated key phrases so that it's clear to follow. In other words, she says, I've chosen this company because it matches up well with my criteria, and so she starts to get into the comparison of the criteria. So you can see all the way through. Formatting is very good. So nice job there. This one comes from Ashley. Same thing. Notice that used the bold on all the same way the heading was the same way. Repeats the question, gets down in the dream job, and repeats key phrases. So notice right down here she even repeats employees' choice awards. Now for next week, like one of the things Ashley could have done here, she could have actually put employee choice awards in bold. That's content from the module, so it'd be a lot easier with the fun content or fundamentals content. So same thing, you can see formatting, very nice, good substance to the post. So let me say nice job there, nice job Ashley. Best practices for week 1. A question that came up, some people said, hey, we don't know anything about you and what your qualifications are. And that's true, it wasn't posted. So I thought, okay, I'll go ahead, I'll cover it here. I joined Bowling Green this year as an adjunct in the business administration department. In my career, I've worked both as an internal large corporation and an external OD consultant. Now, I'm currently active as an external consultant. Matter of fact, I'm a partner in a company now. My specialty area has been implementing sustaining change in unionized organizations while focusing on dignity and respect for the workers. That's been mostly in the automotive industry. I have done some others like state government, for example. I'm also a mediator. I've worked as a community mediator, but I primarily do labor management mediation now. I was trained in Michigan at the Macomb County Dispute Resolution Center. I've worked in academia since 1995, facilitating classes and mentoring doctoral dissertation students. I was one of the early facilitators of online learning, so I've worked with a lot of these different platforms, like Blackboard, Moodle. Now I'm with Canvas. And, excuse me, I completed my degrees while working as an adult and participating as a family member. So I understand that challenge of balancing family, work, and school. So I'm open to trying to work with you on that. My degrees have an undergrad in psychology from Ball State and master's in ed psych, and learning theory was one of my areas of focus in the master's. And then my PhDs from the Union Institute in Cincinnati in organization, social psych. A big part of that is organizational development. I'm also I served in the U.S. Army, so I'm a veteran and a Vietnam veteran. So I'm really excited about being here at Bowling Green and working with you. And I enjoyed learning about you in week one, and I'm really looking forward to reading your posts as we move forward. Thanks.